Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In the event of any dispute or difference between the parties hereto as to the construction or operation of this contract, or the respective rights and liberties of the parties, or any matter in question, dispute or difference of any account, or as to the withholding by the railway electrification of any certificate to which the contractor may claim to be entitled to, or if the railway electrification fails to make a decision within 120 days, then and in any such case, but accepted in any of the accepted matters referred to in clause 1.2.54 under bracket a above of these conditions, the contractor, after 120 days but within 180 days of his presenting his final claim on disputed matters, shall demand in writing that the dispute or difference be referred to arbitration, para. Under bracket B under bracket second, the demand for arbitration shall specify the matters which are in question or subject of the dispute or difference, as also the amount of claim item wise staff. Only such dispute or difference in respect of which the demand has been made together with counter claims or set off shall be referred to arbitration, and other matters shall not be included in the reference para. The arbitration proceedings shall be assumed to have commenced from the day a written and valid demand for arbitration is received by the railway staff, para. The claimant shall submit his claim stating the facts supporting the claims along with all relevant documents and the relief or remedy sought against each claim within a period of 30 days from the date of appointment of the arbitral tribunal staff, para. The railway electrification shall submit its defense statement and counter claims, if any, within a period of 60 days of receipt of copy of claims from tribunal, therefore, unless otherwise extension has been granted by tribunal staff, para. Under bracket B under bracket third, no new claim shall be added during proceedings by either party staff. However, a party may amend or supplement or the original claim or defense thereof during the course of arbitration proceedings, subject to acceptance by tribunal, having due regard to the delay in making it staff, para. Under bracket B under bracket fourth, if the contractors does do not prefer his their specific and final claims in writing, within a period of 90 days of receiving the intimation from the railway electrification that the final bill is ready for payment, he they will be deemed to have waived his their claims, and the railway electrification shall be discharged and released of all liabilities under the contract in respect of these claims, para. Obligation during pendency of arbitration work and the contract shall, unless otherwise directed by the engineer, continue during the arbitration proceedings, and no payment due or payable by the railway electrification shall be withheld on account of such proceedings, provided, however, it shall be open for arbitral tribunal to consider and decide whether or not such work should continue during arbitration proceedings, para. Under bracket D under bracket first, in cases where the total value of all claims in question added together does not exceed rupees 10 lakh, the arbitral tribunal consists of a sole arbitrator who shall be either the general manager or a gazetted officer of railway not below the grade of JA grade, nominated by the general manager in that behalf, staff.